Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to fix it. Telegram asking for SMS pre-verification not free on your iPhone. Don't worry, fix is simple. See, this is the problem. How to fix it? SMS free problem. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps icon and now search here Telegram app. Now click on the Telegram app and scroll down. Now click on the force stop. Okay, and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and clear cache and clear data. Okay, back. Now click on the permission option and allow all permission. First, call logs, allow. Back camera, allow. Back contacts, allow. Location, allow all the time. Microphone, allow. Music and audio, allow. Nearby device, allow. Notifications, allow notifications. Phone, allow. Photos and videos, always allow all. Okay, back. And second steps, go to your Play Store and now search here Telegram app and check update your Telegram app. My Telegram app already updated. See. Okay, back. And now check our internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi connection already connected. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.